This is a tutorial for wireless stream setup. You will need to download and install the following. First is SCRCP, pronounced as screen copy. Next is Bluetooth audio receiver. And finally, Open Broadcaster Software or OBS Studio. To download screen copy, go to their official website. The link is provided in the description. Scroll down until you see the pre-built archive for Windows. Click on it to start downloading the file. Screen copy will display what's in the screen of your smartphone. Your device must be connected to your Windows PC or laptop via USB or over TCP/IP. It will not require any root access for it to work. However, for this to work, you need to enable ADB on your smartphone. I will use my Black Shark 3 to show you how to do it. The installed OS is Pixel Experience, a GSI-ROM based on Android 13. If you want to check it out, a link is provided in the description. From your smartphone, open the Settings app. Search for Build. Click the build number multiple times or up to 7 times until you see you are now a developer. Head over to Developer Settings, then enable USB and wireless debugging. From your computer, extract the file downloaded from Screen Copy. Open the extracted folder. Then type CMD in the folder URL to open a command prompt. Now, connect your smartphone to your computer. Go back to command prompt and type ADB space devices. Your smartphone should be displayed as a result. If it is not, make sure that your smartphone is turned on and that the cables are connected properly. Next, type ADB space TCP/IP space 5555. You should see something similar to this. Get the IP address assigned to your smartphone. Once you have it, type the following in command prompt. Make sure to put the correct IP address of your smartphone. A new window will appear. Feel free to test things out at this point. When you open a game, play a music or video, you will instantly notice that the audio is still coming from your smartphone. The next step is to download Bluetooth audio receiver. This application will route the audio of your smartphone to your computer. To download Bluetooth audio receiver, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Bluetooth audio receiver, then install it. Next, connect your smartphone to your computer via Bluetooth. Your smartphone will appear on Bluetooth audio receiver. Click it. Then click on Open Connection. You should now hear the audio from your smartphone. Download OBS Studio. Install it, then proceed with your preferred streaming setup. But if this is your first time, I suggest for you to do the Auto Configuration Wizard. It will determine the best settings based on your computer specs and internet speed.